Hey there, welcome to our self-care Sunday routine. Today, we're going to set the stage for a relaxing and rejuvenating day. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's get started with some soothing music and uplifting vibes. And no, it's not just about bath bombs and face masks, although those are awesome. We're talking about dedicating time to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Think of it as a reset button for your week, a chance to recharge and show yourself some love. We all lead busy lives, juggling work, family, friends, and everything in between. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and forget to prioritize ourselves. But here's the thing, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. When you feel good, you show up better in all areas of your life. So imagine a day just for you, filled with activities that uplift your mind, body, and spirit. Trust me, your mind, body, and spirit will thank you. This is your moment to unwind and reflect. Let's take a deep breath and enjoy this calm and reflective music together. The good news is, it doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about finding small rituals that make you feel good and incorporating them into your week. And what better day to dedicate to yourself than Sunday? Think of Sundays as your personal sanctuary, a day to hit pause on the outside world and focus on your own well-being. It's a time to slow down, tune in, and give yourself permission to simply be. No deadlines, no to-do lists, just pure, unapologetic self-love. Taking time for yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about recharging your batteries so you can show up as the best version of yourself. When you prioritize your well-being, you're better equipped to handle stress, make clear decisions, and cultivate a more positive outlook on life. So how do you like to spend your me time? Your mind, body, and spirit will thank you for it. Next up, let's show some love to our skin and hair. We'll be using some cheerful and spa-like music to keep the mood upbeat. Ready to pamper yourself? Let's go! First up, skincare. Start by giving your face a gentle cleanse to wash away any impurities. Next, exfoliate to slough off dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. Don't forget about your lips. A quick scrub will leave them feeling soft and supple. Now, it's time to indulge in a face mask. You can go for a store-bought one or whip up a DIY concoction using natural ingredients like honey, yogurt, or avocado. While the mask works its magic, why not treat your eyes with some soothing cucumber slices or chilled tea bags? Now, let's get creative with some easy recipes for glowing skin. This light and playful music will make our DIY session even more fun. Let's get started. These playful DIY tips are fun and effective. Ready to glow? Let's do this! For a simple yet effective face mask, try mixing a tablespoon of honey with a teaspoon of plain yogurt. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to the skin, while yogurt gently exfoliates. Apply the mixture to your face, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel baby soft. Another DIY favorite is the avocado and olive oil hair mask. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that nourish and moisturize your hair, while olive oil adds shine and prevents breakage. Mash half an avocado, mix it with a tablespoon of olive oil, and apply it to your hair from roots to tips. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then shampoo and condition as usual. From roots to tips, let's give our hair the care it deserves. This soothing and relaxing music will help us unwind as we nourish our hair. Ready? Let's begin. Self-Care Sunday is the perfect time to give your hair some extra attention. Start by giving yourself a relaxing scalp massage. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp in circular motions. This not only feels amazing, but also helps to stimulate blood flow, which can promote hair growth. Next, apply a hair mask tailored to your hair type. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or frizzy, there's a mask out there for you. Leave the mask on for the recommended amount of time, then rinse thoroughly. From roots to tips, let's nourish our hair. What's your go-to hair care tip? Nutrition is key to a powerful you. Let's explore some energetic and positive morning routines together. All right, we've pampered our skin and hair. Now let's talk about nourishing our bodies from the inside out. Remember, self-care isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. And that starts with the fuel we put into our bodies. I know sometimes it's easy to reach for sugary cereals or grab a pastry on the go, but trust me, taking that extra time to prepare a nutritious breakfast can make a world of difference in how you feel throughout the day. Think whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. A bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts, a veggie-packed omelet, or a smoothie with spinach, fruit, and Greek yogurt are all fantastic options to kickstart your day. Ready to fuel your body? Let's dive in. What are your favorite healthy foods that make you feel powerful? Share in the comments below. Ready to feel revitalized? Let's go! Discover the power of staying hydrated with some refreshing and rejuvenating music. We all know we should drink plenty of water, but are we actually doing it? Staying hydrated rejuvenates your body, keeping your skin clear and boosting your energy levels. So how do you ensure you're staying hydrated throughout the day? Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder, and jazz things up by adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint. Trust me, when you prioritize hydration, you'll notice a difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. You'll have more energy, your skin will glow, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel overall. Setting yourself up for success is crucial. Let's get motivated with some productive and calm music. Ready to achieve your goals? Let's get started. I get it. Life gets busy, and sometimes staying productive and motivated can be a challenge. That's where planning and organization come in. Self-Care Sunday is the perfect time to dedicate a couple of hours to planning your week and setting up your workspace for success. It doesn't have to be complicated. Start small and gradually add more to your routine. Write down your goals, set reminders on your phone, create a vision board. Having these tools ready will keep you focused and motivated throughout the week. Plus, it'll boost your productivity and keep you motivated in the long run. Finding your center, the power of meditation. Okay, we've talked about nourishing our bodies from the outside in. Now let's shift our focus inward to our amazing minds. In a world that's constantly on the go, finding moments of peace and stillness is more important than ever. That's where meditation comes in. Now, before you picture yourself sitting cross-legged on a mountaintop, let's dispel a common myth. Meditation isn't about clearing your mind completely. It's about training your mind to focus, to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. The benefits of meditation are numerous, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving sleep and boosting emotional well-being. It's like a mini vacation for your mind, a chance to hit the reset button and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Ready to find your inner peace? Let's begin. Have you tried meditating before? How did it make you feel? If you're new to meditation, don't worry. This gentle and peaceful music will guide you through a beginner's guide. Ready to start your journey? Let's go. It's easier than you might think. Find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed, whether it's your bedroom, living room, or even a cozy corner in your backyard. Sit comfortably with your spine straight, either on a cushion or in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle inhale and exhale. Don't worry if your mind wanders. It's completely normal. When you notice your thoughts drifting, gently guide your attention back to your breath. You can also try focusing on a mantra, a word or phrase that you repeat silently to yourself, such as peace, calm, or I am present. What questions do you have about starting a meditation practice? Creating your meditation sanctuary. Creating your meditation sanctuary is essential. Let's make it soft, tranquil, and inviting with some soothing music. It doesn't have to be elaborate, even a small corner will do. Think about adding elements that bring you joy and tranquility, such as soft blankets, candles, crystals, or inspiring quotes. Aromatherapy can also be a great addition. Diffuse essential oils like lavender, chamomile, or sandalwood, which are known for their calming properties. Consistency is key in meditation. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. You might be surprised at how much even a few minutes of daily meditation can transform your overall well-being. Ready to create your space? Let's begin. Reflective practices for growth, unlocking your inner wisdom. Let's dive into the quiet reflection of meditation, a powerful self-care practice for connecting with your inner self. Meditation isn't just about relaxation. It's about creating a space to connect deeply with your inner wisdom. Think of meditation as a trusted practice, a moment where you can be completely honest with yourself without judgment. It's an opportunity to process emotions, gain clarity on challenges, and celebrate insights big or small. The simple act of sitting in stillness can be incredibly therapeutic. It allows you to release what's swirling in your mind, untangle your thoughts, and gain a deeper understanding of yourself. Ready to tap into your wisdom? Let's go! Prompting self-discovery journaling ideas to inspire you. Journaling can be a great way to start. Let's get inspired with some light and thoughtful music. Ready to put your thoughts on paper? Let's begin. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even just a few minutes of free-flowing writing can be beneficial. To spark your creativity, here are a few prompts to inspire you. What are 3 things you're grateful for today? What's one challenge you're currently facing? And how can you approach it with a positive mindset? What brings you joy? Remember, there are no right or wrong answers in journaling. It's about exploring your inner landscape without judgment or pressure. Write whatever flows naturally, and don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and styles. Making self-care a habit. Tips for staying consistent. The key to reaping the rewards of self-care is consistency. But let's be real, life gets busy, and it's easy for our best intentions to fall by the wayside. Here are a few encouraging tips to help you make self-care a regular part of your routine. Set aside a specific time and place where you won't be interrupted. Keep your self-care items within easy reach, like on your bedside table or in your favorite reading nook. Start small. Even 5 minutes of self-care can make a difference. Most importantly, be kind to yourself. It's okay if you miss a day or two. Just pick up where you left off and keep going. Ready to stay on track? Let's go! The power of positivity. Affirmations to empower you. Okay, we've pampered, nourished, meditated, and journaled. Feeling good, right? Now let's amp up those positive vibes with the power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome negative thoughts. Think of affirmations as little pep talks for your soul. When you repeat them regularly, they can rewire your subconscious mind, boost your self-belief, and help you manifest your dreams. It's like planting seeds of positivity that blossom into a more empowered you. The key with affirmations is to choose phrases that resonate with you, words that ignite a spark of belief within. Here are some affirmations to get you started. I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am strong, resilient, and confident. And don't worry, you don't have to be a poet or a motivational speaker. Keep it simple, heartfelt, and true to you. Ready to feel empowered? Let's do this! Creating your personal affirmations. Words that resonate. Ready to find your words? Let's go! Here are a few tips to help you begin. Identify areas in your life where you'd like to see positive change. Is it your confidence, body image, relationships, or career? Once you've pinpointed those areas, brainstorm positive statements that counteract any negative self-talk. For example, if you're working on building your confidence, you might try affirmations like, I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am strong, confident, and beautiful. Remember, affirmations are personal. What resonates with one person might not resonate with another. Experiment with different phrases until you find ones that feel authentic and inspiring to you. Integrating affirmations into your daily life. Integrating affirmations into your daily life can be powerful. Let's make it a habit with some light and positive music. Ready to make affirmations a part of your routine? Let's begin. The more consistently you repeat them, the more powerful they become. Here are a few ideas for seamless integration. Incorporate them into your morning ritual. As you're getting ready for your day, take a few moments to look at yourself in the mirror and repeat your affirmations with conviction. Write them down in a journal. Dedicate a page in your journal specifically for affirmations, and spend a few minutes each day writing them down and reflecting on their meaning. Listen to them on the go. Record yourself speaking your affirmations and save the recording on your phone. Listen to it while you're commuting, exercising, or doing chores. The key is to make affirmations a regular part of your day, weaving them into the fabric of your routine. Embrace the self-care journey. Wow, We've covered so much ground today. From pampering our skin and hair to nourishing our bodies, quieting our minds, journaling our thoughts, and embracing the power of affirmations, we've explored a holistic approach to self-care. Remember, self-care isn't a one-size-fits-all experience. It's about finding what truly nourishes your mind, body, and spirit. Maybe you resonate with all of the practices we talked about today, or maybe just one or two sparked your interest. The most important thing is to listen to your intuition, experiment, and create a self-care Sunday routine that feels authentic and fulfilling to you. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. So what does self-care mean to you? Ready to embrace self-care? Let's go! Shine from within. Ready to shine? Let's feel inspired and joyful with some empowering music. Embrace the peace, clarity, and empowerment that self-care brings. Prioritizing your well-being allows you to radiate positivity in all areas of your life. You gain more energy, patience, and compassion for yourself and others. Face challenges with a calm mind and a positive outlook. So, my friends, let your inner light guide you. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. You deserve to feel your best, inside and out. When you feel good, your inner light shines, inspiring those around you. Until next time, let your inner light shine. You're worth it. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Your support means a lot to us. And don't forget to check out our online store at www.1012expressions.com for exclusive merchandise to enhance your self-improvement journey, while adding some fashion and a touch of humor to your life.